this episode, we are going to talk about the number one thing that you can be doing right now to grow your photography business bank account and start increasing your revenue. I'm Ma, and I'm a boudoir photographer and business and marketing mentor, helping creatives turn their passion into profits. On this channel, I share tips, tricks, and hacks to helping you have a wildly successful and profitable photography business. So you've decided to take the plunge and turn your passion into profits. Yay, congrats. Most people dream of doing this, but never actually take the leap. Maybe you just took the plunge, maybe it's been a few months, maybe it's even been a few years, and you are stuck on how to grow your business and grow your business bank account. The secret is simple, and yet we as humans often resist it, making it so much more complicated and painful than it has to be. The growth rate of your business and your business bank account is in direct relation to the rate of your growth. So what got you to this specific point in your business and life, whether that's just taking the leap to start pursuing it, or you've been building it but not quite where you want to be yet, or you are wanting to scale your business even more, the decisions, the knowledge, and the person you are right now may have gotten you to this specific point, but it is not who and what you need to get you to the next level. For your business to grow, you must grow. This applies not only just to business, but to life, to your health, to your relationships. It literally applies in all areas. The most important part to remember is it's a journey, not a destination. You don't reach some magical place or time in your life and then everything is easy and perfect and you don't ever have any hardships. You will always be learning and growing till your legacy is ready to live on without you. So learn to embrace the uncomfortableness of getting outside your comfort zone, embrace the falls and the failures, in order to soak up the lessons to be learned. Seek out those who've traveled this path you are on and learn from their mistakes. Focus your time, energy, and finances on how you can grow. Then, this is key, apply what you learn. You can learn a lot. You can buy program after program in ebook and read books, but without focused action and application, it's really pointless to have knowledge. I've talked about this before in a video. It's called Fractured Focus, and I've talked to a lot of photographers, and I often hear them say they aren't where they want to be, but then they list off 101 things that they're doing, and they're so frustrated because they are doing but not getting the results that they're wanting to get. I get it. I too have struggled with fractured focus. My hubby and business partner often uses this analogy. If you are trying to start a fire with a magnifying glass, you can't be moving it around constantly trying to find something that will light and then giving up after 5 minutes to try something else. You must logically choose the best spot that fits your end goals and keep that magnifying glass really still and very focused in order to create a fire. Perhaps you learn how to hold the magnifying glass at a certain angle or how to keep yourself even more still. This is learning and growth while still holding that magnifying glass in one single spot. So my point in all of this is, for your business and your business bank account to grow, you must be willing to learn and grow first. What got you here isn't what will get you to where you want to go next. This is definitely something that I personally have experienced myself and have had to keep growing. Even when I get to where I thought I wanted to be, I needed to grow even more. So for my fellow photographers, this might be growing and improving your lighting or your editing skills. It might be growing and improving your business systems and processes. Looking inward at uncomfortable personal beliefs or habits that are holding you back and learning how to get past them. It might be discovering your self-worth and confidence. It might be outsourcing. There's all kinds of things that you could be looking at and places to grow and learn. You must also learn to be laser focused and not be fracturing your focus on a lot of different things at once. Figure out what your strengths are and outsource the things that you don't like to do or that aren't your strengths. Trying to do it all may seem like it's saving you money, but it's actually keeping you stuck. I see this a ton with creatives. We tend to fracture our focus with busyness and activity because it's what makes us feel like we're achieving something. But unfortunately, it actually just keeps us confused and stuck. So we have to learn to start tracking what's actually working and moving the needle in our business so we can focus on being productive. And when we know what's going to actually move the needle, it's productivity over activity, we can keep that magnifying glass still. So stop fracturing your focus, focus on productivity instead of activity, make it a priority to grow every day. And without you even realizing it, your business and your business bank account will start to grow exponentially too. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up. As always, make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys in the next video.